So I have been ordering from Amazon like everyone else, but no, I've literally been ordering from Amazon like I don't have bills to pay. Let's just get into it. Hello beautiful people, I hope you guys are all doing well. You guys might have noticed my beautiful dress. I love this dress so much. This was actually my Eid dress for prayers. It's by a Senegalese designer called Sofatu. She actually made one of the dresses for my wedding. Oh, you guys would not have seen it by now. I think it was one of my favorite outfits just because we used the traditional Fulani material. It was just a really nice way to celebrate with Fulani side, but I just love her clothes basically. And this lovely dress is from her. We're just gonna get right into it because honestly the amount of stuff that I've ordered from Amazon is ridiculous. All these boxes plus these packages here. Oh, and just a bit of a backstory. So what actually happened is I got gifted, well it wasn't gifted, but I earned a £400 Amazon gift voucher. So I recommended two of my friends to my recruiter that I usually use, and she placed both of them in two roles that they absolutely love, and they've been there for 6 months now, alhamdulillah. So for each of them I earned £200. I had totally forgotten about it, and I just woke up to an email saying please claim your £400 Amazon voucher. And you know, nowadays like there is so much spam, there is so many spam emails going around, so I just thought yeah, no. But then she emailed me after saying, hi Michelle, we have credited you with your £400 Amazon voucher for da-da-da-da. I was like, ooh. So I have been trying to be good and not open any of the boxes until I made this haul, but there is one thing I actually did open. Let me show you that first. Oh, and if you guys are wondering about this hair, because I've been getting a lot of love, make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can find all the details there. So the first thing that I actually opened is this. So everyone, and well, not really everyone in their mama, but a lot of bloggers have been getting the Dyson Corrals, and most of the people I've seen have got it on PR, and I'm in an R-ing and thinking if I want to buy it, or I might actually contact their PR team, because what I want to do a comparison between that and this. So this is the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. I was looking for an alternative to the Dyson Corral because the Dyson Corral is about £500. For someone like me who doesn't put a lot of heat on their hair, I literally put heat on my hair about 3 times a year, but that is going to change because of another product that I bought from Amazon. And I realized with my natural hair, not all heat is bad heat. Sometimes heat is good. I used to let my natural hair dry out, and I realized that I would get a lot of knots and tangles, and it was just hard to detangle. So I've actually used this. Let me open it quickly and show you what it looks like. One thing I did notice though, in comparison to this and the Dyson Corral that I've seen other people have, this is really bulky. So this is what it looks like. I was a bit worried because it's a paddle brush, and I don't really use paddle brushes on my natural hair, and all the air basically comes out of this top section here. Actually really good, like I can't fault it. I do really like it. The only thing is it's very bulky. It's not very ergonomical. So if you're a person and you've been seeing all these people with their Dyson Corral, but you maybe don't want to spend £500 on something similar, you can get this. This was very inexpensive, and it does a good job. Straightened my hair really well. I am gonna do an actual review on this. I did say there was another item that I picked up. I opened these two items because I really needed to wash my hair, especially before Eid. So the next thing I picked up was this hair steamer. I actually saw Melissa's wardrobe. She is the queen of influencers. If she recommends something, it will literally sell out like that. So I had seen her mention this a few times on her story, and it basically is a heated hood, and I'm gonna tell you now, this is a game changer. It was so inexpensive, but this works so well. Essentially it's a heated hood, and when you put your deep conditioner in and you go under the hood, you can feel your deep conditioner penetrating through your hair, which is why I usually go to the salon to get those treatments, because I don't have a heated hood at home. And what this also cuts down on is, usually I would sometimes sleep with my deep conditioner in just to try and get all the moisture into my hair, but you don't need to do that. So I've used this once, and after I used this and then blow dried my hair with the Remington, I could feel how soft my hair was, and my hair just took in so much more moisture. For its price, I'm so surprised. What Amazon is doing right now is so smart. They'll tell you that it's going to take a week for your Prime product to come, and the product will come in the next day. Very smart. Yeah, this is a game changer. If you don't buy anything else, my melanated sisters, my 4C, 4A, 4B, even if you have, I'll be very honest, I'm not very knowledgeable with all the 4s, the 3s, the 2s and the 1s, but no matter what texture hair you have, even my Caucasian sisters, get this. It will change your life. It will change your life. Now we're gonna actually get onto the packages that I haven't unboxed. I just picked up the one at the top here. How do I open this? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is a blackhead remover. So as you guys know, I usually get facials with Beauty by MBK. She's based in, I think it's Wood Green. I don't know if it's Wood Green. I think it's Wood Green or North Middlesex. But yeah, I get facials from her, and obviously we're quarantining right now. I haven't seen her in months. I cannot wait. Actually, I can wait for outside to open up because they started opening up a few things, and they've just announced that all retail stores are actually going to open up on the 15th of June, but beauty therapists, hair salons aren't going to open up, which I'd much rather they open up and they just have to do like a one-to-one system. I can get Zara online. I really don't need Zara to open up right now, like I don't, but I need my beauty therapist to open up. But I usually get beauty treatments from her, and she uses something similar. So it's a machine that essentially, it doesn't suck out all your blackheads, but it just loosens your pores so you can do extractions. And what extractions are basically getting gunk out of your pores. I love extractions. Some people find them really painful. I love them. I love the feeling of like my beauty therapist just squeezing all the gunk out of my face, clearing out my pores, and my face just feeling smooth like a baby's bottom afterwards. I love it. So essentially I got this to be able to give myself a facial. I actually got a facial steamer as well, and I think it's in one of these packages. It comes with 5 heads, and then you have the machine hair, and it is chargeable. First impressions, this looks like it's quite good. It looks very similar to what she uses. I think this is the small nozzle. So when she does it, she uses the big nozzle for all around my face, and then when it gets to like the nose and the eye area, she uses like a smaller nozzle. And the small nozzle for me doesn't look small enough. I feel like the one that she uses is actually actually hold on, so it actually comes not with 5, with 6. There's a nozzle on the actual machine. If you guys would like to see what I think about these, I'm actually going to give myself a facial, and I'm going to give my little sister and my mom a facial, and I think I'm going to post them on my Insta story, so make sure you're following me on Instagram to see that. This has 3 different levels. What you're meant to do is glide it across. Guys, that 3rd level, oh my god, that 3rd level sounds hella strong. I think I'm gonna stick to level 1. On the reviews it said that the suction was really strong on this, and I can feel it on the back of my hand. I can't wait to try this out. I am so excited, and mashallah, my skin has been doing good, but I can tell that it is in need of just like a good declogging and just a purge. Yeah, I'm gonna have so many packages to take to the recycling bin after I'm done with this video. My mum has insulted me. Oh my, every time a package comes, she's like, a package again, Michelle, a package again. Oh, these are tiny. One of my good girlfriends, her and her husband own a gym in Wales. She's actually my colleague, but I'll call her a friend because I think me and her, we really built a relationship. And they basically let me borrow one of their Olympic barbells because I was complaining at work that I haven't been able to deadlift in yonks. I haven't been able to deadlift. So she felt really sorry for me, and she was like, yeah, you can have one of the barbells because they've had to close down their gym. I needed to get the knobs for the barbells, but I thought these were the right size, but these are not Olympic barbell clips. The size of the Olympic barbell hole is like this. Where is this finna go? Where is this going to stick to? This is rude. This is going back. Let's see what the next package has. So my little sister has basically been baking up and down the house. Every day the little girl wants to be baking cookies, baking bread, baking cake. So I told her, I was like, okay, Eid day, since we're gonna be in the house, we're gonna bake. So we baked this really lovely cake, and we also made some churros, and we also wanted to make some donuts. This I was hoping would arrive before Eid, and it's basically donut rings, or like baking ring, just if you're making cookies or donuts or anything like that. And you can see they come in a variety of sizes. These are really sharp, which means that when I try to cut into the dough, they'll actually cut in. But yeah, well, I will be happy that they're here now. And it comes in this really nice tin, which you can keep it in. Oh, I think I know what this one is. Sorry, photography just gets me so happy, so happy. Okay, so I got a Fuji Insta Mini 9. I feel like this as well is an investment for my YouTube because I'm going to use this on my travels. This is an investment for my YouTube and my Instagram. So technically, well, none of these are useless buys, but this is like an investment into the business. So I have been wanting one of these because when I was on my hen in Senegal, my cousin actually had one. And prior to that, I had actually been looking into getting one because when I was younger, I used to have a Polaroid, and I loved that Polaroid so much. And my parents gave it away because they said I was getting too old for a Polaroid. I don't know how you get too old for a Polaroid, but anyway. So I'm so happy that these are back. we're gonna make some magic. So this is what it looks like. It is in this absolutely gorgeous mint green color. It just takes me back to when I was a kid and I used to have a Polaroid camera, and I loved my Polaroid camera so much. I cannot wait until we're allowed to travel again and I can just make so many memories of this, because I'm so excited I got this. I'm gonna have to get a case for it as well. It's one of those instant cameras where you take the snap and then it comes out of here. I've also been looking at getting the printer as well. There is a Fuji printer that prints out in those Polaroids, and you can basically take pictures from your phone and print it off. One of my friends had it, and I think it's something that I also want to get. I just love photography. It's like my little hobby. I love taking pictures of people and just capturing moments, and I think it's important to take pictures. I know now there's this whole thing about living the moment. You don't want to grow old and not have any pictures of those moments, and I don't even mean pictures to post on social media, just like funny pictures, goofy pictures, just memories of you, yourself, your friends, your family. I think it's really important to do that. This was also in the same package. So this is basically a cosmetic organizer. I got it because I wanted somewhere to put my earbuds and my buds that I used for when I'm cleansing my face. This was super cheap. I hope it hasn't broken. It's fine. This is what it looks like, and it's made out of a really nice thick acrylic. It's really good quality, and I think it's gonna look really nice on my desk. Oh my god. Oh, Michelle, you're a big woman, you know. The last thing that came in that package, this is another Mel made me do it. So it is basically a candle snuffing set. I never knew this was a thing. I haven't used it yet because I haven't actually lit any of my candles, but it's basically like when you have your candle on, you just put this through the flame. It takes away all the oxygen that the candle is getting, and the candle burns out, meaning that you don't get any black soot mark. And it also comes with this that you can use to trim your candles so that they burn better. I'm not too sure what this is. If you're a candle lover and you love burning candles, this is an essential in your set. Guys, I have so many packages, it is ridiculous. I've literally been shopping like I don't have bills. Okay, so this is a mini world globe, and I got this because I wanted to put it on my bookshelf. So I'm actually gonna take down some of the books and put them in. We have a study downstairs, and I'm gonna put some of the books in there instead. Oh, this is nice. Oh god. Oh, what's that? Hold on, what is that? I don't like this. There's like an entire line around the globe, which I'm not feeling, but overall this is very cute. That is gonna look so good up there. I want to know what this is and if I can take it off, because I don't like that. Like, why is that on there? I'm gonna read the instruction manual. Follow me on my Instagram to see if I did take it off. But yeah, this is so cute. So in my actual home, I want to have a really massive one. Big pack numero, I've lost count. I have lost count of how many big packages I have opened. Oh, they packaged this really nice. I needed a new cover for my mat. My old one was just, it was looking dry and dusty, and it was literally on its last leg, on its way out. Actually, it's been out. As soon as I ordered this, I literally took it off and put it in the kitchen. Ooh. And it is in my favorite color, Rouge red. And this is very nice and very well packaged, may I say. It's in this burgundy color, and oh, it has a matte feel, which I love. This is the bottom side of it. Oh, it came with a screen cleaner as well. That is so nice. This is really nice. This feels like it's really good quality. I can't wait to dress up my Mac again. I'm happy that has come. My Mac can look cute again. I'm just opening up the next package. Oh la la. Oh yes baby. Oh, I like this. Okay, this actually didn't come in a Amazon box. This came in a Mason and White, so I guess that's the brand and they sell on Amazon. So it is this tray, and the tray has a mirror. Oh yes, darling. By the way, I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, please disregard. Listen, I haven't glued this down. I literally popped this on my head because I was just practicing my makeup skills, and I said, oh, I might as well film my Amazon haul because I need to unpack all of this stuff. You would notice that the sides of the wig aren't glued down, but we're not going to get into that because the hair is still gorgeous, darling. But yes, I like this gold tray. It feels very weighty. This is nice. This is so nice. I'm gonna use this to put like some of my perfumes and some trinkets, and I just like the gold accents. I'm going for a red, black and gold accents. I had the red, obviously, had the black, but I wanted to get more of the gold and more black on there as well. So this is the last big box, but I still have about 4 small packages. Oh, okay, so this is my face steamer. Remember I showed you guys the Blackhead suction device early on in this haul. So I got a face steamer, because when I usually have my facials, what she does is she cleanses my face and steams it. This just opens up my pores, and then she will use the Blackhead extraction device, and then she'll go into my extractions and then do any mask and massages afterwards. I'm basically trying to recreate that environment, but what I didn't want to do was have to spend like an extortionate amount of money, because I know once we do get out of this lockdown, I'm not going to be giving myself facials at home. I'd rather leave the facials to the professionals, but for now I'll try a ting. So this had a lot of good reviews on Amazon. I saw steamers range from anywhere between, I would say the good steamers ranged anywhere between 25 to 50 pounds. This is what the steamer looks like. So you have the body of the steamer. I guess this is for if you really want to concentrate on like your nose and just all of that. So you have this, you can connect that to the steamer body I just showed you, or you have this that you can also connect to the steamer body. I'm so excited to try this out. I am so excited. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm gonna drill it into you guys' head, because there are 19,000 of you subscribed to me on YouTube, but there's only about 4,000 of you following me on Instagram, and my aim this year is to get to 10,000 followers on my Instagram. So I am going to be putting up a lot more content on my Instagram as well. When I try this out and I give myself a facial, my mom and my little sister, I'm definitely gonna post it on my Insta stories. Oh, and there's something else in here. Jewelry holder. Oh, okay, I know what this is. I didn't measure how big it was gonna be, but I don't know why it just looks bigger, but it's basically, this is what it's going to look like. I initially was gonna spray paint this black because I wanted this. So right now I put my two YSL makeup bags at the top there. They're not gonna live there forever. I just put them there because the black complements the black of the YSL box. £1 if you figure out who one of my favorite designers is. Essentially, I want this to be at the top, and I'm going to use it to hold like some of my trinket and all that stuff. But I will say the pictures on Amazon actually don't do this any justice, because this is gorgeous. On there it looks like really flimsy, but it's very weighty. I was going to spray paint it black, but I don't know now. I kind of like this kind of brassy color. Yay! So I ordered some resistance bands. There are a plethora of resistant bands on Amazon, like so many. I would say just look at the reviews. That's what I did. So these are the ones that I got, and I think they're 3 different strength. Not so heavy, and really heavy. I think they actually come with a pouch that you can store them in. I never used to use resistant bands in my workouts, but I've seen a lot of people using them online. Oh, these are, oh yes. Okay, these are some good quality, and the reason why I wanted this material rather than, there's a latex material one as well, but when I was looking at the reviews, what I found is that a lot of people said that they snap or they will roll up your thighs. Okay, on first impression, I like it. This is the second to last package. Oh, okay, so these are more resistant bands, but these are the triple, is it triple? 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is 6? Double. So basically they're like this, and I wanted to use them for lat pull downs because I have been missing my lat pull down machine. It's just giving me so much pleasure. But yeah, that's what I wanted to use these for. But you also have the handles, and you have the, I don't know what these are called, but the handles again to handle them on. So there's like this little knob thing you can order to basically hang on your door, close your door, and then that's how you can do the lat pull down. I'll try and put like a demonstration somewhere here. Okay, and the last package, I got a foam pillow. So I already have one foam pillow, but I've had that for about 2 years. It's always been good. It's still good now, but I wanted to get a third one, so I have 2 of those, and I bought those 2 in Primark, and obviously Primark is closed right now, although it's opening back on the 15th of March, and the queues in Primark are going to be crazy. Listen, I might risk it for a chocolate biscuit, you know, because my socks have started going missing again, and yeah, I'm excited to try this. This says it's from a company called The Comfort Zone. This is what it looks like. I'll be honest, it's not giving me very foam right now. As I just said that, the shape is coming to it. I'm gonna put a picture of it here. What it basically has, it has like these little grooves, and it's really good for like neck and backache. That's what the description said, and that's what the review said. So I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. And we have come to the end of the Amazon haul, alhamdulillah, because as you can see, an hour and a half to get through all of this. The video is not going to be an hour and a half, but I just want you guys guys to know that I've been doing this for an hour and a half and it's hot, and this abaya is quite thick, so I'm slightly regretting wearing it. Those are all the items that I got. Like I said, if you want to see how I use like the facial products, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because I will be posting giving myself and my family members a facial, and it's just easier to update on Instagram like really quickly how I feel about some of the products. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and so that it gives me a bit of motivation to make sure I get that video edited and out to you guys as soon as possible. And if you're interested in this little purple makeup look that I've done, I will have the full product breakdown of what I used to get this look on my Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you watch this video. And if you like this video, I think you might like this video here or this video here. Click on one of them and let me continue to entertain you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section below what you might pick up, or if you have picked up any of these and how you found using them. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.